Pedestrian safety. Did you know an average of 15 child pedestrians are killed and 1,000 are seriously injured on Canada's roads every year? Find out how to create safe walking routines for children. Answers from AboutKidsHealth.ca at the Hospital for Sick Children. Pedestrian safety stats. Child pedestrians are most often hurt in September, October, November, May, and June between the hours of 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. when children are more likely to walk to and from school or play outside. Most child pedestrians are hit by a vehicle in towns and cities with heavy traffic, many parked cars, and few play spaces. Motor vehicle collisions involving pedestrians on rural roads are more likely to be fatal because of faster vehicle speeds. Drivers always need to be aware of and yield to pedestrians, but teens and adults play an important role in teaching children how to stay safe. Teaching your child. Taking walks with your child is an important part of street safety. Long before a child is allowed to roam the streets alone, parents can use walks to teach basic safety tips. Use age-appropriate language and demonstrate what to do. Street safety tips include walking only on the sidewalk, holding hands, and never running into the road, even for a favorite toy. As your child gets older, you can use events that you see together as opportunities to teach more about pedestrian safety. For example, you might use situations such as changing weather conditions, someone jaywalking, or picking the best route to get from one place to another. Be a role model when walking with your child by demonstrating safe pedestrian practices. As you walk, point out safe areas to cross the road, use available crossing signals, and look left, right, and left again each time you cross the street. Saying what you are doing aloud can also help to draw a child's attention to your safe behaviors. Think, look, and listen. Teach your child to stop at the curb, look left, right, and left again, and listen for oncoming traffic. Your child should always consider alleys and driveways as mini roads and treat them with the same level of caution. Both adults and children need to listen and pay attention to what's going on around them. Hearing is very important for safety. For children who are deaf or hard of hearing, emphasize the importance of looking left, right, and left again. Talking on the phone, texting, listening to music can all be distracting and reduce awareness of what's going on around you. This is true for both children and adults. It's also important that your child does not cross the street from behind parked vehicles or large objects, as it can make it difficult for oncoming or reversing vehicles to see them. Showing your child visual prompts, such as crosswalks, road signs, and vehicle reverse lights, can help them decide when and where it is safe to cross. As your child gets older and more confident making safe walking decisions, allowing them to lead the family while walking gives them time and space to practice pedestrian safety while still being supervised. Wait to let your child walk alone. According to Parachute, children need to develop 3 important skills before they can walk alone. They need to be able to choose and use a safe crossing route, accurately assess a vehicle's speed, judge safe gaps in traffic. Many children do not develop these skills until they are 9 to 11 years old. Until you are confident that your child can be a safe pedestrian, make sure they are supervised. For more information about pedestrian safety and other topics, visit AboutKidsHealth.ca.